Nailed it. Welcome back, Internet. We're out here on the midweek ride out. It's Scott out here. He's running his new KTM, what is it? 500 exc-f. Exploring some new trails. Super awesome 95 degree at 7 o'clock at night, July day. Loving it. That was sarcasm. Yeah, it's freaking brutally hot. It's like a death cloud over us of sweat. Sweat of every person in San Bernardino that's been sweating out here for the last freaking week. It's all just a big cloud. We get to breathe in. Can't see. Oh, this road just turned into a cat box.
I dig it. I like it.
Yeah, you're cooking through here. That was a lot of freaking downhill sandbox.
I know, in the turns it was all sand.
Yeah. Whole road full of kitty litter. It's the backside of a dam. Well, I'll be. What is that? Ooh. That's a big hole. Yeah, like where they had to like rebuild it all back up. Type big hole. So they let all the water out. Yeah, oh, this sucks. You can see where the water line was, where all the dead grass is. Well, I want to go more that way. The road's taking us away. I found water. How do I get? Well, this sucks. Get going. I want to go down to the water. Yeah. Dude, this sand is so deep. Oh, slowing up my tires. Slowing up my tires. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out of here, but it's gonna look cool. Well, guess I just do this. we go. Your bike fell over? Use the wrong kind of kickstand. So there's the back of the Seven Oaks Dam. You have to be careful of these rocks when you're sinking it into the sandbox. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get out of here. Nailed it. It's a lot of loose sand. My chain's clean now. My chain's clean now. It's freshly polished. Yeah, watch your eyes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Traction, traction. It's just, this is a challenge test piece. So like if you're good enough to do this, you're good enough to go beyond there. That seems like something like a freaking lion would live in. It's really freaking steep. What is this freaking thing? Have to discover what this is. Almost. There's water in there. Maybe. Do you think that this floods all of San Bernardino? Right here?